Hi everyone, welcome to BIMKLUE Revit tutorial. Are you looking for a structured and practical way to learn Revit BIM modeling? Do you want to competently create professional Revit MEP models for real projects, not just practice files? Many learners spend hours searching for free online videos, only to end up with scattered lessons and incomplete understanding. And let's be honest, your team needs your BIM skill now, and you don't have months to figure it out alone. Maybe you have enrolled in courses before, but they only taught basic tools without showing you how to apply them in real projects. I understand because I went through the same struggle when I first learned Revit. That's why this course is different. In just 15 hours, you will learn step by step from zero knowledge to building complex real-world models with confidence, no experience required. This is not just theory. You'll learn practical Revit MEP modeling skills based on actual project example. We'll also cover essential knowledge in fire protection services so you understand not only how to model, but what you are modeling. We are experienced Revit modelers and BIM managers who apply these skills daily in real construction projects. With over 10 years of hands-on industry and teaching experience, we have solved countless technical challenges even before the problems appear on site. Thousands of learners worldwide have improved their BIM skills with us and achieved real results in their careers. BIM is no longer optional in today's construction industry. It's a must-have skill. Equip yourself, upgrade your value, advance your career. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start building your BIM future today. Remember, opportunities come to those who are prepared.